This is my GasOne burner. My name's David, and this is going to be my full review of this system. So the reason why I purchased this GasOne burner was we wanted to bring back the tradition in my family of doing crawfish boils. I have a lot of family from Louisiana, so what we needed a burner. One of the great things about this burner is it allows you to take your cooking outside, which is just a better experience overall in my opinion, and it also reduces your chances of making a mess indoors. Another great thing about this system is it's able to output a lot of heat, and we need that heat to help keep our pot at a rolling boil when we're cooking crawfish. In terms of the construction, the paint is actually holding up surprisingly well for dealing with a lot of water and a lot of heat and a lot of cooling. Usually that destroys the paint. This webbing here for the legs, that's a thin sheet of steel. These look like some sort of pipe. So this unit does come with legs to help increase its height. We don't really do that because we have a big pot, about 15 gallons of water, and we don't want that instability. And plus that pot would be really high up and it'd be hard to get access to the crawfish and everything when we do our boil. So we don't really use the legs. We lost them a long time ago and we're not going to use them. A lot of the construction is this relatively thin steel. It isn't the most sturdy unit I've ever seen, but it is good enough to keep our big pot of water stable when it's in the grass or on concrete. It is fine. I don't have to worry about the pot potentially tipping over. These pieces here are just a piece of metal stock here. And then this down here, this burner unit itself, this is going to be a giant piece of cast iron. So in terms of adjusting it, we do have this air vent here which we can adjust, but we usually leave it wide open because we want a very high temperature for our big giant pot of crawfish. What's great about this dial is it allows you to quickly adjust your temperature very easily instead of having to crank on the actual propane tank. This makes it much more faster, much more easy, and it also allows you that certain level of granularity that you wouldn't necessarily get with a propane tank trying to adjust it there. So in order to light this thing, I added this little spark igniter. This is the same one from like chemistry class, or if you ever welded before, this is the one you'd use to light your torch. But yeah, it just creates a little spark and then it drops into the gas and then it'll actually ignite the burner and then you're good to go. You can also use a grill lighter, but I prefer to just leave this guy on, that way I have it handy whenever I decide to get this unit going. Alright, right now what I'm going to do is show you the process for turning this burner on. I don't want to make sure that this is in the closed position here, but basically you're going to want to make it spin that way to completely shut it off. And once we're ready to attach it, we're just going to go ahead and screw it on, righty-tighty. And then from there, we're going to want to, once that's secure, we're going to want to open up our valve here on our propane tank. So I'm just going to go ahead and spin it. And again, it does have instructions on here which way to open it. So just follow the instructions on your tank. And once that's open, then we're going to want to make sure that our gas is able to be ignited. So we're going to want to open up this valve here, and then we're going to use our spark, and that's going to ignite the burner. So without further ado, and there you go. Yep, start to really crank it up and get it going to a boil. You can feel the heat from it now, but yeah, it gets cooking pretty good, and that's the GasOne burner. So once we're ready to turn it off and shut it off, we just close that valve there, and we're going to want to close this valve, turning it this direction here, so that way right there. And then once that's closed, we just unscrew this lefty-loosey, and we're ready.